Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a chit chat, get ready with me, and we're going to be talking about self-esteem, y'all. I get this question all the time, so let's get started. I'm about to spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. I really like that spray. It's really refreshing. I feel like my skin is like hydrated. Then I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I love this. This is in the color Eden. Then I'm going to go in with the Hangover FX primer on my face. I'm going to do it off camera. Okay, so I don't know what type of look we're going for today, y'all. Alright, we're ready. Like I said, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. Like a burgundy smoky eye, I guess. And we'll figure out colors from there. So I'm going to start with this first transition shade and just blend this in, and then we'll go in with the actual color. Okay, my nails, they get done Friday, so if you see them, let's not, okay? So I get a lot of questions on, or statements like, Nene, you're plus size, how are you so confident? Like, could you please tell me how to raise my confidence? And it's always a topic that I stray away from because I really don't know if there's a way to teach somebody how to be confident. I guess the only advice I could give is the way I did it and how I view confidence. Taking this blush palette, Ruby Kisses, I'm going to take this color. That's going to be my lid color. I don't know if this is the best color. Look how that came up, y'all. That is not even cute. Like, it's not pigmented at all. I guess I have to keep piling it on, but bear with me. So growing up, I had self-esteem issues, like really, really bad. My mom would tell you I used to think that I was too fat. I used to think I was too dark. And my mom used to always tell me, like, she encouraged me. One day she told me, she just said, take pride in what you look like. I'm like, what the heck does that mean? But then it made sense to me. If I didn't like what I look like, let's switch it. So I started like, man, thankfully my mom was so supportive doing this thing. I wanted to start switching my style up. And because my mom has like a great eye on clothes, she was able to like help me and show me things that work for my shape. When my mom used to tell me I needed to encourage myself, she used to tell me like, stand in the mirror and tell yourself every morning that you're beautiful. I used to hate it. Like, I used to get up and like, you're beautiful. I used to hate that. Like, but then something changed in me. Like, what's the purpose of doing it if you don't believe it? Honestly, y'all, the tongue holds so much power. What you say or what you speak reflects and can determine how much of what you think and how you act. So when I started saying that every day, I started believing it. Like, I am cute. I am pretty. I am. The biggest thing I had on myself was that my weakness was shown. People knew that I wasn't necessarily comfortable with being dark. People knew that I feel like I'm a little too fat. And when people knew that, it was easier for them to use that against me and or make me feel uncomfortable. So I had to learn, stop letting people know that you're insecure. You may not like that you have rolls, or you may not like that, but guess what? When I walk and the clothes I wear and the way I carry myself, you're going to think I'm fucking in love with myself. So that's another part of my advice. Don't allow people to play on what hurts you. So one way you can stop that is stop joking. I hate fat jokes. I hate when people or plus size women be like, yeah, girl, because you know I'm too big for that. I can't, or I can't fit. Girl, I'm too big. It's like you saying that because, okay, it's the obvious, but what are you saying that for? Because before you know it, when you do that, people will start saying that because, shit, you comfortable saying it about yourself. Why not? Girl, you know you can't fit that. Honey, you squeezing in them. Don't allow somebody to play on your weakness. Believe it or not, the eyes are done. I'm about to move straight to my face. I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Beautiful Bronze. Not only do you want to start changing and finding what looks right and works for your body, but you need to start changing your mental. A lot of plus size women think, oh, because I'm fat, men don't want me. Or, oh, because I'm fat, I can't make friends. Or, oh, because I'm fat, I can't go out and date. Don't be a victim to yourself. And that is honestly what self-esteem is all about. You're literally just a victim to yourself. You're holding yourself hostage. You're holding yourself as a prisoner in your own body. That's all self-esteem boils down on. You control how you feel about yourself. And like I said, this is the hardest advice to give because there's not a step-by-step tutorial or what's right to do. This literally comes from within. No one is ever going to accept you if you don't even fucking accept you. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, y'all know. I think another part of that came along with me loving me is I just realized all the qualities I liked about myself. If you don't understand how to love you for being you, find out the qualities you like. Find out what sets you different than other people. Find out something about yourself that you love. One thing I love about myself is that I'm so freaking compassionate. My heart is so huge. I care how people feel. I care what people think. So when I found all those qualities about myself, it really made me fall in love because it was like, you're such a good person. Why do you hate your image? Being insecure, that shit can put you in a funk. And I don't want to be in a funk. I remember when I was growing up and I was dating and dudes that would like try to talk to me, I used to be like, they don't want me, like I'm fat. Or people I had sex with, I used to be a little insecure getting undressed. It's like, and then I had to realize, like, you stupid as fuck. On the outside you look fat. So a dude, when he see you, he already undressed you. He ain't expecting to see no flat ass tummy. He not expecting to see none of that. He's expecting to see under those clothes exactly what he sees standing right there. So guess what? Take this shit off. When I started realizing that they knew that and they still wanted to talk to me, hell bitch, clearly you are fine and you are fat and fine. There's a lot of men out here who love bigger women. So all my ladies who are plus size, if you find a man that's genuinely interested in you, don't push that man away because of your weight, because of your own insecurity. That man seen something in you that he liked. Why not allow him to like that about you? I'm sorry, I'm not telling y'all what I'm using. This is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. That comes with self-love though. So you can't find love in a man or look for love in a man when you haven't loved yourself. Self-esteem is not going to change overnight. You can go to a therapist and they'll tell you that. Self-esteem is the hardest thing to accomplish because guess what? You're the only one that can fix it. I'm going to go in with Black Opal Deluxe setting powder and then I'm going to go in with Midnight Banana powder to set this. I just started getting more into me because I neglected me. And that's what made me not even like what I look like because I didn't share no interest in myself. So when I started to take an interest in myself, then guess what? I started to like what I saw. I'm like, that's how self-esteem works. When you take interest in yourself, it's like, girl. So I'm just going to brush all of this off. And then I'm going to, what am I going to do next, y'all? Set my face. My face is set. I'm going in with Toasted Almond. Y'all know the Zeal. Okay, we're going to let those dry. Those are Ardell Wispies, but I have them stacked. If you don't know what stack is, basically I have 2 lashes. I like Wispies stacked. Like, they look really pretty to me. Okay, so we're almost done with this look. I just want to go in with lips. And I was thinking something dark, but I think I've been giving you guys a mixture of like dark and like light lip colors. So, okay, so we're going to go in with these 2 lip colors. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Y'all see? It is a gorgeous lipping. I'm going to blend that in. I'm going to lighten this up. This is just a white lipstick by MAC. It's called Frosting. I'm going to put this in the middle, and I wanted this to dry because liquid lipsticks and then this, it would have been super messy. So let's see what it looks like. So it most definitely lightened it like I predicted, but I don't know if I necessarily like this. So I'm going and kind of like darken up. This is just with Nightmoth by MAC. I want to darken up my outer corners. So I was thinking of going with a gloss with this look or lip, but I really like it the way it is. I'm a matte girl anyway. I think this is pretty. What do y'all think? I think that's cute. I think it complements it enough. Okay, so tell me what you think. This is the look, sis. I think it's cute. Am I giving you damn neat? Am I giving you yes? Am I giving you damn that was easy? Am I giving you oh my god, I want to wear this look tomorrow? Am I giving you damn that lip color is popping? Like, what am I giving you? I'm really feeling it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this chit chat. Get ready with me. I hope that it is useful. I hope that you guys understand that self-esteem is not a step-by-step tutorial. It starts with you. So if you have to go through this video, take out my major points. So listen to it again. Honestly, self-esteem is something huge, and you have to have it in this day and age because you just won't survive. Hopefully this helps you to build your self-esteem, and I hope that my advice was super helpful, and I hope that you understood and saw where I was coming from. And if you have some battling self-esteem, then have them look at this. Actually, I would love for you guys to leave down below, how did you build your self-esteem? Maybe reading somebody else's testimony, maybe my option just didn't work. How did you build yours? And maybe you can help somebody. You never really know. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm Nene Tanae. To all my new subbies, hey boots. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.